You bought that beautiful wicker chair thinking it would add a rustic charm to your room. And it did for the first few months. But now, it's dusty, dull, maybe even sticky in some corners. You're probably wondering, is this even cleanable anymore? Or worse, should I just throw it out? Before you make that decision, wait. Because what if I told you that this old, forgotten piece of furniture could look brand new again? Yes, even with all those tiny, woven crevices full of dust and grime. Like and subscribe to The Big Sweep if you love simple home fixes with surprising results. We've got plenty of them lined up just for you. Wicker is not just furniture. It's art. Each strand hand-woven, curved with intention, meant to bring warmth and character into your space. But here's the problem. It's a magnet for dust. Crumbs fall in, pet hair clings to it, and let's not even talk about what happens if it gets wet and isn't dried properly. That musty smell? That's mildew saying hello. Unlike solid wood or plastic, wicker can't just be wiped down with a wet cloth. That'll ruin it. It's delicate, and it demands attention. But we often ignore it until it becomes embarrassing. You remember the moment, don't you? A friend or relative sat down and hesitated, looked at the chair, brushed off some dust, and smiled awkwardly. That sting you felt? It wasn't just embarrassment. It was guilt, because you knew that chair used to be beautiful. So what happened? Life got busy. You cleaned the table, the floor, even your windows, but that wicker piece always got skipped. It seemed too complicated, but not anymore. Step 1, the dry dusting revelation. First things first, dusting. But not just any dusting. You'll need a vacuum with a brush attachment or a soft bristle paintbrush. You'll be shocked by how much debris is hiding inside those grooves. Here's a pro tip. Always vacuum with the weave, not against it. That reduces the chance of damaging the material. It's oddly satisfying, like you're restoring something ancient, and in a way, you are. Wicker furniture has a rich legacy across cultures. It's earned your care. Step 2, soap, but gentle like a whisper. Next, make a cleaning solution. Not harsh chemicals. No bleach, just warm water, a few drops of dish soap, and a microfiber cloth. Dip it in, wring it out well. It should be damp, not dripping, and begin gently wiping the surface. Focus on the sticky areas first. That syrup from breakfast? That soda from movie night? Gone. Here's a trick. Use a toothbrush for the tight corners. Yes, it's tedious, but this is the part where you reconnect with the piece, where it starts to shine again. Step 3. Dry like it's sacred. This step is non-negotiable. Wicker must be dried properly, because if not, you invite mildew, and mildew ruins everything. Use a clean, dry towel to blot out any moisture, and then, this is key, place it in a sunny, well-ventilated area. If it's too cold or humid outside, point a fan at it indoors. You'll start to see the natural color return, the lightness, the texture. It's like watching an old photograph develop. Step 4. Restoration and protection. Now that it's clean, let's go a step further. Lemon oil or furniture polish, lightly applied, can bring back a soft glow. It also adds a protective layer against dust and moisture. Spray a little on a cloth, not directly on the furniture, and buff it gently. You'll notice the wicker feels less brittle, almost as if it's sighing in relief. The final test, that moment of pride. Now imagine that same guest returning. They sit on the chair, but this time, no hesitation. Just a, wow, this looks amazing. That one comment will make every second of cleaning worth it. Because cleaning wicker isn't just about hygiene, it's about restoring dignity to your home and to yourself. Why this matters more than you think. In a world obsessed with buying new, there's something deeply satisfying about renewing what you already have. It's sustainable, it's meaningful, and it reminds us of a truth we often forget. Nothing is ever too far gone to be brought back to life. Wicker furniture, with all its woven history, is a symbol of that. So the next time you clean your home, don't skip that chair in the corner. Give it a little love. Because every strand tells a story, and now you've added a beautiful chapter of your own. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list. an emergency speed cleaning checklist. And as a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community made for women,